gonna do some 140 stuff. Alright. I've got a bit of a plan. I'm gonna use some heavily saturated triangles now for my main bass. That's my rhythmical or swelling. I'm gonna do some stabs, maybe some harmonics with the stab. And then for my energy pockets, like we talked about in previous videos, I'm gonna use reece bass and I'm gonna use noise bass. I've been messing with the noise bass and I've been putting some chorus on it. Chorus and phase filters. Been messing with, but also with the reece bass, I'm going to put a fracture on the reece bass. I'm going to show you, and it should be pretty wicked. We're going to do it quite heavy, so we're going to go for basic shapes, random down, change this to triangle, add this to the level, LFO1. Let's just put it to 8 for now. Press mono. I'm going to get some FM action, but we're going to go for the same thing, random down, triangle wave, level down, FM from B, and then LFO1's going to come to here. Put your octaves up, 2 octaves maybe. I've gone for 3 octaves there, a bit more smooth. That's quite nice there, octave 1. I'm going to add the saturator now. Right, so I'm going to add some drive and cyanoid. I'm going to put the depth up just to find which frequency I want. So sub it at this side, harmonics at this side. We're going to go for some harmonics. Okay, so we're going to try this. But I'm going to double that up. I'm going to right click this one, freeze track, flatten. Instantly I've got some audio. Put this for your next one, so it's AB. So we're instantly building in some variation. Your enemy is a stale loop, remember that, guys. Making it a bit late. Let's try a bit of filter on this one. Bit of drive. That's nice. Let's try a bit of that one. To duplicate. Right click. Freeze track. And it's very smooth. Can you see that? It's 90 on the smooth. Bit of resonance. Goes a long way. Okay, go on your effect. Some chorus. Now add the feed up high just to see. Ooh. Pick which delays you like. It's not bad. Bit of this one. Now I'm gonna try a bit of the sub as well. That on a triangle. Good. Bit of gain staging up here. Get your levels as high as you can. That's quite a quiet. Pull it up. And D. Yep. And this for your final. Now I'm doing 4, but believe it or not, there will be some energy pockets in that 4th section for sure. Probably some reece or some noise. To finish the sequence, I'm going to flatten that. Why don't we try back to the 8s, but we're going to try and maybe try up the 7 semitones. I'll leave that as it is. Okay guys, so we've got our rhythmical bass. Now we just need some stabs and then some energy pockets. So I'm going to do some stabs now. I will just flatten this one, freeze track. I'm just going to group these. These are just audio now, so keep your CPU low, keep your computer running fast. I'm going to call these rhythmical bass. Now we're doing our stabs. We're going to add a saturator and I'm going to add a limiter. As I say guys, add some effects or plugins before you make your synths. See what happens. Gives you a bit of a different spin on it. This one we're going to have a bit of release. Yep. I'm going to have a bit more attack. Put this on the level. Okay, we're going to go for analog and BD sign, random down, first to here if you want. This one is going to be FFT seconds. I'm going to make this shape here, turn it to envelope, add that to your wavetable. Bit of delay, and then smooth it out. For this equalizer, boost this up. Okay, we'll give that a go. I'll just copy it across, try a bit less release. Okay, I'll drag that across. Double click it, I'll turn it up a bit. Okay, it's a bit slow attack, so I'm just going to shorten it. We need that. We need these plugins copying across. One, your second one. Let's add an FM. Do the FM. Octave. Get rid of your level. Add some drive. Okay, let's try something like this. Okay, a bit of distortion, and we're going to add it to the filter here. It's good. Compression. Try a flange right down, feedback up. Feedback back down. It's not bad. Add a bit of reverb. And we're going to drag it on. We'll click it, turn off warp. Turn off warp. Very good, we've got our stab. I've got our rhythmical. Good, you've got your different rhythmicals. Right, I like to get rid of that serum now. So you've got your stabs, you've got your rhythmical. I'm going to get a fresh serum. Now we want some reeces for our energy pocket. We want reeces and we want noise basses. So we'll start with the noise bass. Basic shapes, random down. Change the phase. Right, I'm going to add definitely some pitch envelopes on this one. So envelope 2 to here. Global master tune. Bit of release. Bit more attack. And we're going to add this to the level. Let's try some LFO maybe. Okay, so try Asim. Okay, and we're going to go for the chorus. Put the rate down, feedback up. Try it after the distortion. Put the mix full. Filter. Okay, I'll try that. Drag that on. Reece we want, so I'll get rid of this. Another serum. We're gonna spread it. Mono, legato, always. Filter. And we want also, I think we want chorus for this one. Compression, it's multiband. save that. Not a bad preset. Reece. And then I'm going to play the MIDI notes on this one. Little headphone. Bit more on this. Some cool notes. So we want maybe, we've got starting on E. So I'm going to right click, reece track and flatten. I'm going to add some fracture to this because this is super cool. Free plugins guys, link in bio. And how fat is that? Okay, so you've got your noise and your reece. Join these, group them, label this energy pocket. So that's your energy pockets guys. So you put your stabs at the top. Stabs. So if you want to hear this now without the drums. Now we can group all these, call that bass. Then we want a nice kick. Go for this one. I'm going to get a spectrum to measure what note my kick is at. I'm at A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D. So my notes should be on D, but they're currently on E flat. So that means I want to raise my kick up 1 to match it. Click that and raise it up. So my kick and my sub are now 1/5 away. Root note and 5 notes up. Should be okay. We're going to add a drum bus. I want to smash this. Kick. Okay, get a snare, get a rim, but I am looking for a bit of fat. Now I want to shorten this, so press warp, join these, snare, M bit, another free plugin guys, link in bio. So it's 8-bit now, we've rounded off the top, get your drum bus back, and then get rid of this drive, get rid of this decay, and anyway, that'll do for now. We'll try hat, and as always guys, another free plugin, link in bio, electro hat, turn it up. Okay, and then we're going to copy this. Let's try it. Okay, now that snare might need tuning a bit.